Hello students, we are here for the class Programming Languages through C. This is our second class. In the first class we have learned what are the type of programming languages and what is C programming languages. Today we will learn some important concepts to write a program. Okay, those are variable and constant. So what is variable? Variable are the data whose values are changed or varied. And constants are those data whose values are fixed throughout the program. For that, we can take an example, real-time example rather. Suppose our permanent address and a rental address. Rental address can be changed. So this can be an example of variable, and permanent address can't be changed, it is fixed for us, so it can be the example of constant. So in programming language we take any name of the variable or constant, but the value of the variable can be changed place by place. Suppose we are taking an number variable. We can write it as x equals to 5, x equals to 10, x equals to 7. The value of x can be changed place by place. So x can be acted as variable. But if we write the number x const x equals to 5, that means the value of x is fixed, that is 5 throughout the program. We can't change the value of x throughout the program. So this can be a constant value or constant data. So we use here const keyword to make the data as constant. Okay. So what we learned, that the value of variable can be changed throughout the program. We can give any value, and the new value will be placed to the previous one. Suppose we are writing x equals to 5 at the start, and after a few lines we change the value x into 7, so then the value will become 7. Okay, so if it is a variable. But if we write const x equals to 5, and after few lines we want to change the value that x equals to 7, computer compiler shows an error. That means it can't be changed the value. Okay, so this is the difference between variable and constant. Now another main concept of programming language is token. Token is a small part of the program, but which is the rather smallest part of the program, but it is very much important, and all the part of token are very much important to write a program. Some of the parts are like keyword, identifier, operators and all. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss keyword, operators and identifiers. Till that, I am completing my class today. So if you have any sort of queries, ask me on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.